If you have a resistable, you're gonna love this inner thigh exercise. Let's get going. So you're gonna open up your knees. It's very important to keep your knees pointing out. You're gonna squeeze that ball and lift it off the floor, and you're just gonna start to march. Now on this march, you're trying to pop that ball. You can try to squeeze those glutes. Keep your body completely upright. If your knees fall forward, you're gonna feel pressure in the knees. So keep those knees open. Squeeze your butt every single time you go. Now watch, I'm gonna go single, single, hold. Single, single, squeeze. Single, single, squeeze. You gotta do a little balance work there. Single, single, squeeze. Tighten those inner thighs every single time. You're gonna give me a couple more. Use that balance. Get your belly button over the toe. One, lift. One, lift. Let's do one more. Then you're gonna finish the end really strong. And you're also gonna push a little harder on this last 8 seconds. Drive it in. Hold that ball up. Don't let go. Give me 3, 2, 1. Inner thighs. Resist a ball. Until next time.